Hello friends, today we will be doing MathCounts Handbook, year 21-22. This handbook has around 250 questions, so we'll try to do some of them today. So the topic that we are covering today is the arithmetic mean stretch. So we'll do problems from question number 1 to question number 10. So let's start with the first question. Simone's average score. So it says Simone's average score for 7 tests is 82 points. If she scores 90 points on her 8th test, what is the average of all the 8 test scores? Now, what is the formula for average? Average is equal to sum of all observations over number of observations. Now here they have given us the average of 7 tests is 82 points. So here the sum of 7 tests has to be 82 times 7, which is 574. Now they are asking us to find the average for the 8 test scores. Now this is the sum for the 7 tests, and this is the score for the 8th test. So we divide it by 8. So I will get 664 over 8 and I'll get 83. So what is the average for all 8 test scores? So the average is 83 points. Okay. Let's go to question number 2. The average of Geoffrey's first 4 test scores is 72 points. If Geoffrey's 5th test score is 15 points more than the average of his first 4 test scores, what is the average of the all 5 test scores? So again, what is the formula? Average is equal to sum of all observations over number of observations. Now here they are saying that the average of the first 4 test scores is 72 points. So the sum of all the scores, first 4 scores, will be 72 times 4, which will be so 72 times 4 will be 288. Now they are saying what will be his score for the 5th test. So they're saying the score for the 5th test score is 15 points more than the average. So the average was 72 plus 15. So the score for his 5th test was 87 marks. Now 87 points. Now let's find the average. So average will be 288 plus 87 over 5. So I'll get 375 over 5. So I'll get 75 points. So my answer will be 75 points. Question number 3. The mean of 4 numbers is 18. If one of the 4 numbers is removed, the mean of the 3 remaining numbers is 17. What is the value of the number that was removed? Now again, they've given us the mean or the average, and they have given us the number of observations, which is 4. So the sum of 4 numbers will be 18 times 4, which is 72. And sum of the 3 numbers, because they have given us the average, so 17 times 3, so you get 51. So you subtract it. So what is the value of the number that was removed? So the value of the number that was removed is 21. Let's go to question number 4. Abel, Bilal, and Cara. Let's just name them A, B, and C. They played a game of Scrabble. The average of the points scored by A and B was 261 points, while the average number of points scored by A, B, and C was 269 points. How much did C score? Now the same thing. So the average is given and number of observations is 2. So the sum of points for A and B will be 261 times 2. That will be 522. And sum of points for A, B, and C, that will be 269 times 3. So we'll get 807. So how much did Cara score? 807 minus 522. So we will get 285. So how much did C score? 285 points. Let's go to question number 5. Sage has 12 pennies and 8 nickels. The average mass of Sage's coin is 3.5 grams. If the average mass of Sage's pennies is 2.5 grams, what is the average mass of Sage's nickels? Now again, they've given us the average mass of Sage's coin is 3.5 grams. Now total coins that I have is 12 plus 8, which is 20. So what is the sum or the total mass of coins? So it will be the average, which is 3.5 into 20. This is the number of observations. So that will be 70 grams. And now they're saying the average mass of Sage's pennies. So again, sum or mass of pennies will be 2.5. Now how many pennies do we have? We have 12, so we'll multiply it by 12. So I'll get 30 grams. Therefore, mass of nickels will be 70 minus 30, which is 40 grams. Now this is not my answer because what they're saying is what is the average mass. So again, average is equal to sum over total number of observations. So total number of nickels that I have is 8. So average will be 5 grams. So my answer is 5 grams. Let's do question number 6. Ruby mailed 3 packages to a friend. The mean weight of the packages was 85 ounces. When Ruby sent a 4th package, the mean weight increased by 2 ounces. How many ounces did the final package weigh? Again, they're giving us the mean weight of 3 packages. So what will be the sum of weight of the 3 packages? So it will be 85 times 3, which is 255. Then now sum of weight of 4 packages. The sum of the weight of 4 packages. So it's saying the mean weight increased by 2 ounces. So the mean weight became 87 and the number of packages are now 4. So that will be 348. So weight of the 4th package will be 348 minus 255. So that will be 93 ounces. So my answer will be 93 ounces. Now let's go to question number 7. 6 Cocker Spaniels have a total weight of 192 pounds. 5 Golden Retrievers have an average weight of 71 pounds. What is the average weight of all the 11 dogs? So average would be sum of all observations over number of observations. Now what will be the sum of, or what will be the total weight of, they have already given this, the total weight of 6 Cocker Spaniels is 192 pounds. And this one, 5 Golden Retrievers have an average weight of 71. So their total weight will be 71 times 5 over total number of dogs is 11. So if we solve this, 192, 71 times 5 will be 355 over 11. So if we solve this, we will get 49.7 pounds. So my answer would be 49.7 pounds. Question number 8. Gil reads 21 pages of a book on Monday, 34 pages on Tuesday, 17 pages on Wednesday, and 12 pages on Thursday. On Friday, Gil read 5 pages more than the mean number of pages read on the first 4 days. How many pages did Gil read in all? Now, so it's saying that she read 5 pages more than the mean number of pages read on the first 4 days. So what will be the mean of the pages read on the first 4 days? So we'll do 21 plus 34 plus 17 plus 12 over 4. So if we solve this, the mean will come to 21 pages. So how many did she read on Friday? She read 21 plus 5. So she read 26 pages. So total pages read in all will be 110. So you will add the sum here and the 26 pages. So we will get 110 pages. 110 is, if you add all of them, we'll get 84 plus 26. I'll get 110 pages. That will be my final answer. Let's read question number 9. Sam scored 50 points on the first of 6 Spanish exams in the semester. If Sam's goal is to have an average exam score of 90 points at the end of the semester, how many points will Sam need to score on average on the remaining 5 exams? So again, the formula is average is equal to sum of all observations over number of observations. And so they are saying Sam scored 50 points on the first of the 6 semesters is to score 90 points at the end of the semester. So you need an average of 90 over, so the total number of semesters that you have is 6, okay? And they're saying how many points. So let us assume, so let the sum of points be x, the sum of points be x that he scored in the rest of 5 exams. So this equation will be, so he scored 50 in the first exam plus x, this is the sum that we don't know. If we solve this, 6 goes to the other side, you get 540 plus x. So x will be 540 minus 50. So x will be 490. Now this is the total sum, but this is not my final answer. They are saying what is on an average he should be scoring for the remaining 5 exams. So this is the sum over 5 exams that I have. So on an average, Sam has to score 98 marks in the remaining 5 exams. So my final answer is 98 marks or 98 points. Let's read question number 10. After taking 3 of the 4 exams in history class, Srinivasa has an average exam score of 66 points. If the 4th exam counts twice as much as the other exams, what is the fewest points Srinivasa can score on the 4th exam to pass the course with an overall exam average of at least 70 points? So let's start. So after taking 3 of the 4 exams, he has an average exam score of 66 points. So what is the sum of the points for the first 3 exams? So that will be 66 into 3. So you will get 198 points. Now, if the 4th exam counts twice as much, so let the score be x for the 4th exam. So the equation we will form is the average that he has to score, overall average has to be 70 points. The sum that we already have is 198. Now the 4th exam counts twice as much, so we are going to add 2x, and since we are counting it twice, the total number of exams will become 4 plus 1, which is 5. So now we have to solve this equation. So 5 goes to the other side, we get 350 equal to 198 plus 2. Therefore 2x is equal to 350 minus 198. Therefore, 2x is equal to 152. Therefore, x is equal to 152 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 76. So my final answer is, what is the fewest points Srinivasa can score on the fourth exam to pass the course with an overall exam average of at least 70? So Srinivasa has to score at least 76 points in the fourth exam. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.